Hello, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the GloryFit application on our phone. In the application, you should see the home screen once you open it. Now, tap on the device icon on this page. Scroll down, find the option called Clear Data, tap on it, and then tap on Confirm to confirm and start the resetting process. You can also tap on Unbind if you want to remove the pairing with the phone, because if you want to unbind the watch will sync with your phone again. It might overwrite some data from your watch. But if you tap on Unbind during the resetting process, it won't connect to your phone again, and it's gonna be restored to the factory default settings and won't be syncing any data from your phone, like this. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this device by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.